We own several Ryobi products, including the air blower and the weed eater. So it's always nice to have a battery backup since we have so many Ryobi devices. And Nisatoro gifted us this battery, which is really nice because it fits all Ryobi products and it's a lot more affordable. So as you can see, this Nisatoro battery fits perfectly within our Ryobi charger. It arrived halfway charged, but we're just going to charge it up a little bit more. And just like with other Ryobi batteries, it has a button that you can press to tell you how much battery juice is in the battery. It also has the same battery release button that other Ryobi batteries have. So watch how this is the perfect battery for my Ryobi air blower. So this battery worked perfectly in my air blower. It was just as efficient as any other Ryobi battery, and it's so much more affordable. So I highly recommend this battery by Nisatoro if you own Ryobi products and you need a backup, because it's always good to have a backup because you never know when you need another battery.